As we continue to see the images of the devastation left by the Los Angeles wildfires, many here are reminded of how we live with the near constant danger of wildfire in southern Colorado. This continues to raise the question of, are we prepared? According to a joint letter by CSFD, CSPD, and the Pikes Peak Regional Office of Emergency Management, the answer is yes. They offered some ways our emergency services stay prepared, including a multi-agency response team, rigorous training for firefighters and first responders, and regular town halls with residents. However, of course, this doesn't mean wildfires won't occur. They say this is why we as a community need to be doing our best to prepare. Some things you can do to make sure you're prepared include signing up for peak alerts, making a plan for you and your family in case of an emergency, and practicing wildfire mitigation tactics on your property. You can find a link to that full letter over on our website, KOAA.com.